Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove contacts in silence notifications leave focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then into Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Sleep. Then in the sleep focus, click people under the silence notifications. Then after that, under the silence notifications prompt, you will see the list of contact person. And for example, you want to remove this one, just click the negative sign on the upper corner. And your contact person is now removed. And that's it. We have successfully removed contacts in silence notifications leave focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!